e-commerce, building and profiting from your online business. Welcome to our YouTube series, Mastering E-commerce, where we'll guide you through the process of creating and profiting from your very own e-commerce business. In this comprehensive series, we'll cover everything from the initial setup to effective marketing strategies, ensuring your success in the competitive online marketplace. So let's dive in and unlock the secrets of e-commerce profitability. Choosing the right e-commerce platform. Understanding different e-commerce platforms, e.g., Shopify, WooCommerce. Exploring their features, pricing. A step-by-step guide to setting up your online store. Sourcing and managing products. Identifying profitable product niches. Sourcing products, drop shipping, manufacturing, or wholesaling. Inventory management and order fulfillment best practices. Designing an engaging user experience. Crafting a visually appealing and user-friendly e-commerce website. Optimizing product listings and descriptions for maximum conversions. Implementing effective navigation and search functionalities. Designing an engaging user experience. Crafting a visually appealing and user-friendly e-commerce website. Optimizing product listings and descriptions for maximum conversions. Implementing effective navigation and search functionalities. Building a winning marketing strategy. Understanding your target audience and conducting market research. Utilizing social media marketing to drive traffic and generate sales. Implementing effective SEO techniques to boost organic visibility. Maximizing sales and conversions. Implementing persuasive copywriting techniques to improve product descriptions. Optimizing product images and utilizing high-quality multimedia content. Leveraging user reviews and ratings to build trust and credibility. Enhancing customer experience and retention. Implementing efficient customer support systems. Utilizing email marketing to nurture customer relationships. Creating loyalty programs and incentives to encourage repeat purchase. Analyzing and optimizing performance. Understanding key e-commerce metrics and data analysis. Utilizing tools like Google Analytics to track and measure performance. Making data-driven decisions to optimize your e-commerce business. Scaling and expanding your e-commerce empire. Strategies for scaling your business operations. Exploring international markets and expanding globally. Leveraging partnerships and collaborations to fuel growth. Congratulations! You've completed our Mastering E-commerce series, equipping yourself with the knowledge and strategies necessary to create and profit from your own e-commerce business. Remember, success in e-commerce requires dedication, continuous learning, and adapting to the ever-evolving online landscape. So go ahead, start your entrepreneurial journey, and unlock the immense potential of e-commerce.